Hello guys, welcome to the market trading channel. And in this video we are going to be talking about how to use Bybit bot trading. You don't need to have a trading experience to use Bybit bot trading. All you need to do is just have to fund your account and then the bot do all the trading for you. And it's very profitable, which I'm going to also be showing you this video. So if you don't want to stress yourself monitoring the market every time, trying to see where the price is going, analyzing the market, you can give all the jobs to the bot and then make money. So I'll be showing you in this video the step-by-step guide, and all you need to do is to wait till the end of this video. And also, if you have not subscribed to our channel, click on the subscribe button right now. As you're watching it, subscribe now. Please subscribe so as to also boost the channel and also help others. We want to take this channel to 10,000 subscribers by the end of this new month. So let's go. So all you need to do is click on more. This is Bybit homepage. Click on more and then scroll down to trading bot. Make sure you've already funded your account to it with a money. So all you need to do from there, you can see a lot of trading peers here. So the name is Aurora AI. That's a name. So they have hourly picks, you can copy for free, and then they have the Aurora itself where you can use. So you maybe want to like the hourly picks. Probably the hourly pick is more like maybe you are trading yourself, but you want to see the directions, maybe you want to copy the trading, just for free. You don't have to have any cost. So that's for that. And also they have like a trading signal to tell you where the market is going and the like. So it's sort of good stuff. But what we are going to be doing here, we have a lot of options here for the Bybit trading. We have the DCA, which is dollar cost averaging, which is which is more like getting a particular coin at a lower price as price keeps going down. So by the time it average out, it always makes more sense instead of you buying all your coin at the same time. So they have features combos, they have features martingale. So martingale rule. I don't know if you know, if people that don't know martingale rule, you can check it on Google to understand the meaning of martingale rule. So they have easy boat, they have compare boat and daily picks, sports grid, features grid. So we are going to be going to either features grid or easy boat. So you can see easy boat, you see what asset you like. It's more like trying to match you with the right trading boat. So if you ask which asset, I will always say don't be too greedy. Personally, because I feel based on my own trading experience and I have been trading the market, I would say BTC is one of the easiest coin to trade. So I will choose BTC. Which type of trading? Choose features. Depending if you want to choose spot, you can choose spot. Which market direction will you like will you like to focus on? Do you want to focus on bullish, bearish, or sideways? So if you are choosing bullish, meaning that you are one way. If you are choosing bearish, meaning it's also one way downward. If you are choosing sideways, it also means maybe it's not really, it's more like ranging or trending, that kind of thing. So I would say bullish should be if you're in a bullish market, but because of the market right now, uh, we are still bullish overall. So, but the market is still, the movement and the price action pattern. The bearish, we are not yet in the bearish market, but on a short time frame, we're in the bearish market. Sideways also, you can probably choose sideways for now. So, but always make sure you understand the direction of the market, then you still get matched. So you see the match is telling us 80% APR for neutral, and then a drawdown ratio of 0.85, which is not bad. So I can do compare all both to compare all the boats that they have. So, but I don't want to stress ourselves too much. Let's just go back. Then I can choose start now. If I want to use this, I will choose start now. If I don't want to use it, I will still go back and show you what to do. So let's play along with this one first. Then what you need to do now, you can see manual. Manual basically means you want to set all the settings yourself. maybe for a long or short trade, that's what it is. For the manual, you see, for the if you put it under neutral, so you see it's going to ask you for the grid per amount, it's going to ask you for the price range, ask you for leverage, ask you for total investment amount. If you choose long, same thing. So but if you choose, that's for manual. But we advise that, like I said, if you don't want to stress yourself, just go to AI strategy. So if you look at AI strategy, all you need to do is you have to choose. Once you choose the AI strategy, you have to choose between neutral, long, and short, depending on which direction you want to go. So that is also the logic of you having an idea of whether you are in a bull market or a bear market, that kind of stuff. Just like a general idea of the market really help here. So, but irrespective and here, I don't forget, it just is only performing action based on whatever like you told him. So total investment, I've already transferred $34 to this funding account from my trading account. So you can put $34, but the minimum amount is $199, like $200 for this book. So I can always transfer money also. So I can also transfer money, but I will have to stop this video to do that. So, but let me just continue, don't worry. So then if you don't want to use easy boost, just click on features grid. The features grid, just like the same interface we just went to right now, and you can choose on manual or AI strategy. So just use the AI strategy and just input your investment. If you are going for a long, that Bitcoin should continue to long, I can choose long here and then put the investment amount, and then so this one, the minimum investment, it varies. So this one, the minimum investment, let's check for neutral. Yeah, so if you are choosing neutral, the minimum investment is $200. So if you are choosing long, the minimum investment is about $350. If you are choosing a short, the minimum investment is about $360. So the reason is that if you look at it, the minimum is so insufficient balance. So you can see the minimum investment is, you can see under there, about 360. That's you are choosing short, because the way it's doing it, I guess it's using like a dollar cost averaging more than like a buy the dip strategy for short. For long, also more like if price drop, you buy it, more like averaging it out so that you have more profit over time. So that's what it's doing. So that's why it requires different amount of money so as to keep the position running. So which is what it's doing. You can also set a trading stop, meaning like if price should chop maybe like 50% of my trading capital, I don't want to do this or trading anymore. I want AI to stop me out. If markets will chop 20%, I don't want to do this anymore. I want to stop out. So that's what the trading stop is for. Or another way I can put it is that as price keep going up, you understand, your trading your stop keep moving up, because once you are in profit, your stop keep moving up, also keep moving up. Do you understand? So but once price tries to go against you, wherever your last stop is, that is where it's going to stop you out on. So but it's always good to have it, to always lock in some profit. So if you want to add entry price for advanced options, all this kind of stuff, you can put it. But like I said, you don't even need to stress yourself on that. So just let the AI do its work. So you can try it out and let me know your own point of view in comment section. I think I should transfer this. So I have to transfer, but don't worry. Let me just leave it. So that's just how to do it. So thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. God bless you.